Deleted a report you need? Mistakes happen. Get it back fast so your agency never misses a beat. You've got 90 days to restore any deleted reports. Head to the relevant client's reports page. Click on the Metrics and Filters button in the upper right corner and select Filters. Under the Status drop-down menu, click on Remove. The display on the left will now only show deleted reports. Hover over the red icon next to the report, letting you know that this report was, in fact, deleted. Click the check mark next to the report, and the option to restore appears. Select as many reports as you need. Click Restore, and a confirmation window pops up. Once confirmed, switch the filter status back to Active to find the report back where it belongs. That's it. It's like it never happened. Get your free trial from Agency Analytics today and stay on top of your reporting game.